Hello guys, welcome back to the engineering static course video. So today I'm gonna show you about the one of the most popular website that can help you showing the problem and draw the body diagram in the engineering static course textbook like OC Hitler and the another of the textbook. So this website was called PermaLearn.xyz. So to prove that how efficient that we can solve the problem or drawing the body diagram from the engineering static course problem solving. So let me show you one of the example that I get from the chapter 7 that talk about the internal force. So this is the fundamental problem solving. So as the picture shown that draw the shear and the moment diagram for the beam. So this is the picture. So we begin to analyze with this beam at how they fix supported at A. So we need to determine the member beam first. So from the begin of the x coordinate is 0, and the distance from the horizontal begin point is 3 meter. So we just pick it 3, and then we need to determine what is the type of support. So this support is the fixed support, so we need to pick on the main coordinate at 0 on 0x 0y. So we need to choose the fixed support. So this is the fixed support, and after that we need to analyze which is load that on the support. So on the beam, so there's two loading. So the first is the point load and the second is the linear load. So we need to determine the point load first. So we just click the member D, ID at 1, and the beginning of the joint is 0, and so we need to determine the distance from the A to the point load. So the total distance is 3 meter. So we peg it as 3. Since this software or this website was determined by the vertical force upward is positive, and our picture was shown by 6 Newton to the downward, kilonewton to the downward. So we need to put the minus of the 6 kilonewton. So we just try to click on edit. Here is the point load at this last point at the 3 meter from the origin coordinate. And then we need to determine the linear redistribution load from the point A to the midpoint. So the total distance is 6.5. So just click on the linear redistribute load, and then click on member 1 and the load type. Our load type is the vertical load. Just picking the vertical load. So the distance from the beginning point at joint A is the 1.5 meter, and so we need to take the first of the beginning of load is what is a minus 8 Newton, since the positive is upward. So our picture is then downward is positive, so we need to put it minus 8, and at the end of the load is also 8 kilonewton. Sorry for this mistake. So from the beginning point is the 0 meter. So and the distance at the end of the joint is 1.5 meter. So we just click edit. So here is the beginning of load, and here is the end of load is 1.5 distance, 1.5 meter from the distance at the fixed A. So our instruction want to draw the shear and the moment diagram. So we need to just click on the solution and display the shear force first. So this is the shear force. Start from the beginning of the fixed support A is the 18 kilonewton, and moving to the center point of the beam is the 6 Newton, and move to the last of the beam is at the 3 meter. At the last point is also 6 kilonewton. For the bending moment, we can tap on the bending moment. So this is the diagram of the moment. Okay, so here is the bending moment, at the point A is we got the bending moment is minus 25 kilonewton meter, and the end of the point is the 0.0 kilonewton meter, and at the midpoint of the beam is minus 9 kilonewton meter. So to prove that it is fixable to the answer or not, let me prove you with the answer. So this is the originate answer from the textbook. So here is the shear moment. So we see that these are the same from the 18 to 6, and it is stable to the last point. And from the bending moment, it's also the same from the minus 27 kilonewton per meter, and to the midpoint is the minus 9 kilonewton meter, and the last point is the 3 from the fixed port A to the at the end of point node is that how the bending moment is 0 kilonewton meter. So we can prove that this website was really useful to solve in or calculate in any of the problem in the internal. That's not only the internal force chapter. These can use with the another of the chapter also. So now my video come to the end. Thank you for your listening and paying attention. Thank you.